bigger than mine. So...
Fuck. Going down the river.
So this man just fucking switched up spots and he goes, I'm gonna go catch a smallmouth. I'll be right back.
Fucking calves, baby.
Walks over. I'm snagged in a land bush. I'm gonna let the drag rip. Come over here.
Nice there, buddy.
And check out this beautiful
Yeah,
smallmouth.
that's nice.
Right. Oh.
I'm stuck in a land bush too.
Holy shit.
Can
Hooked up on a fucking donkey, dude. Look how much she makes.
Oh my god.
4.5 foot ultralight bend, dude. That's like insane. So fucking big. It's like huge.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Every time. Get him, brother.
Oh dude, that one actually looks sick. Look at the belly.
Looking at that belly. Look at the tail. Nice.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. What were you saying about a deer carcass? Oh. Yeah, that's a deer carcass, alright.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's a fox.
It might be a fox. It might be a
Look at the head.
really big bird. Oh. Nah, yeah, dude. I'm not like
That's a fox.
I'm not a wildlife expert or
That's
anything.
a fox.
But, dude, dog, that's a bird.
You think?
Yeah.
You really thinking that's a
dude,
bird?
Look at those teeth. Flip it over. Fucking skulls on your head,
well,
Ryan.
if you mimic the animal when it used to be alive, you can figure out what it is. And that told me it's a fox.
It's a fucking bird.
Look at the carcass.
It's a.
That's a fox. Look
It's a bird.
Ribs. Look at the ribs.
Rib cages do this.
Fox. What is it? A fucking ostrich?
Yes, it
I had to fish because I'm so fucking pissed off. Ah! Going over here.
Alright, well, I'm gonna fish here because I see some good guy.
Jawbone. Fox. Cattails. Cattails, right? Cattails. Fox. This is fox. Useless.
Ryan's going on a bit of a rampage. Because, I mean, obviously he's fucking wrong. Like, if you look at this, it couldn't be anything but a fucking bird. But this dipshit thinks it's a fox. It's not a fox. It's
You know what I just did?
What?
Drop some fox knowledge on your head.
Double up.
What?
Another nice double up.
What?
Look in your hand, dipshit.
Oh, this tip. Look at
Let that come back in
You
your
gonna go to that one? This is what you get, cunt.
Oh.
Caught a green sunfish. Kill it.
This is bluegill skydiving lessons with Jason.
I don't even know how to...
Oh,
I did shit at filming.
great landing and swam away healthily.
What the fuck are you doing? You said you didn't want to get wet and now you're... Do I have to say any more? In the rinse off. So, we're gonna walk upstream to a waterfall. I'm just gonna leave him there. Just gonna leave him there. Just gonna... Fuck, not again. He's stalking me. Shit. Shit. So you gotta like... If you keep looking at him, he won't chase you. But the minute you look away, he starts coming up. See? Watch. There he is. He moved. You can see. That is the belly squatter, Jason. You don't fuck with the belly squatter. We're gonna make a run for it. Oh shit. Oh god damn it. Fuck. Ass now. Fuck. Fucking goddamn prickers. Ah.
Motherfucker's going all turtle man. Look at you. You're all fucking wet and shit.
Definitely went upstream.
Challenge them. intimidated.
Fuck at it. A little watered down now.
Are you?
A little bit of a disadvantage.
In what aspect?
I think that means onward to the waterfall. I don't even know. He's going in. Yep, he's in. He's in the water. Yeah, I don't even. We're just gonna bypass the homeless. Oh shit, he's got me. Why in your father?